out of sight. Rip, tear, flesh will scream, wake the dead from it.